Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you guys back. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can create this unique lavish floral wedding centerpiece. You do not want to miss out. Please stay tuned and watch how I put together this beautiful masterpiece. Also, if you like what you see, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts below, and share this video with a friend. So don't forget to join my Elegant Creators Academy for free, where you can explore our guide to learn how I build YouTube, guides for Amazon, Facebook, Etsy, DIYs, how to market your business and brands online, and more. Every month, we add a new guide to help you grow your business. You can preview the videos of the guides. Check the Academy link in the description to join for free. To start off, I'm going to measure exactly where I would like to cut. I'm going to use my hacksaw to cut it right in the center of my hoop. You want both sides of your hoop to be the same exact length. Next, I'm going to take my 5-inch round ball. I'm going to use my hoop piece to create the perfect measurement hole right through my foam ball. The reason why I'm doing this initiative step is because when I'm ready to hang my flower ball, I need my holes to be the perfect fit for my hoop. Next, you're going to take your hoop pieces. You're going to overlap them to one another. Basically, it looked like two C's just facing the opposite side from each other. It's really easy to do. You're gonna have this beautiful flare out opening from top to bottom. The bottom of the opening that I left is about 8 inches in measurement. You want it to be about the same size of whatever plaque you decide to use, and the opening for the top measures about 16.5 inches. For the next step, you're going to take your screw and use your power drill to screw both of your hoop pieces into place. This is what it looks like once you're done. You're going to have this beautiful finish. Now, to get your hoop pieces to stand up tall and straight, you're going to take your screw and use your power drill to drill it right onto your wooden plaque. You might need some assistance to help you hold your hoops into place. However, you should be able to get through it yourself. Because I didn't like how my hoop was hanging out from the plaque, I decided to use my hacksaw so that I can get this beautiful polished finished look. I am done putting my piece together. Comment below, guys, and let me know what you guys think of the outcome. I mean, it's a pretty unique centerpiece. When I was putting it together, I wasn't sure on how exactly how it was gonna look. I just know I had a vision in my head, but I didn't know how I was gonna put it out there, and I'm actually pretty stunned about the outcome. So comment below, guys, and let me know what you guys think. Now what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna go ahead and accessorize it. And of course, you can accessorize it whatever taste and look that you would like to go for. I'm gonna accessorize it with some flowers, with these beautiful foam flowers. You know, you could definitely purchase these flowers in our Elegant Creator store on Amazon. I would definitely put the link in the description box so you can get it yourself. And these blush foam roses look absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, guys. And I really love the leaves that it comes with, so you could definitely play around with it, accessorize it however way you would like. So definitely check our Elegant Creator store out on Amazon. And thank you so much, you guys, for your support. I really appreciate you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my hot glue and probably glue some flowers in front of here, and also glue these beautiful roses at the bottom as well. Hot glue it. So you know, that's definitely an option. It's not like a must. If you've been watching my channel now for some time, you know I love me some crystals, and I always find ways to incorporate crystals in my pieces just because, you know. So I'm gonna add a crystal in the center here. I think this will look very, very beautiful. I'm going to use a fishing line to hang my crystal that you see right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and also either hot glue or use my fishing line to glue some crystals here as well. Okay? So these are definitely the options that you guys have. Have fun with it. It's unique. It's a beautiful piece. It's super affordable. Just $1 you spend to get a hula hoop, and look what you can turn $1 worth of a hula hoop with. Maybe sometime down the line I might recreate a look similar to this look using PVC pipes. So definitely keep a lookout for that. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe, you guys, so you can definitely keep updated for when I do post new videos, and definitely hit the notification bell as well. And also, guys, don't forget to thumbs up this video. If you like what I share here on my channel, please, please thumbs up this video if you like what you see. Now to get my flower ball to stay in place, I'm going to use the same hole that I created to put my foam ball right through my hoop piece. You could choose to either hot glue it down or leave it as is. Either way, you still have a strong, beautiful hold.